In this video, you'll learn how to disable notifications on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will have better control over the alerts you receive from the platform. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Taskrabbit website. In the address bar, type in taskrabbit.com/dashboard and press enter. This action will take you directly to your Taskrabbit dashboard where you can manage your tasks and account settings. Once the dashboard loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see a section labeled My Tasks. Next to this, click on the option labeled Account. This will open a new menu containing various account-related settings. After clicking on Account, you will be directed to the Account Settings page. From here, locate and select the option for notifications. This will open the notification settings where you can customize your notification preferences. Within the notification settings, you will find a section containing various notification options. Review the options available to you, which may include email notifications, SMS alerts, and task alerts. To disable any specific type of notification, simply toggle the switch or uncheck the box next to the desired option. After you have made your selections to turn off the notifications, look for a button labeled Save or Update at the bottom of the page. If this button is visible, click it to ensure that your changes are saved. If no button appears, your changes may have been saved automatically. At this point, you have successfully disabled notifications on Taskrabbit. If you wish to confirm that the settings have been applied, you can return to the notification settings page and check the status of the notification options you modified.